Hi there, and welcome to the Manifestors Circle, where we post daily lessons, stories, and insights on the law of attraction and manifestation, and how you can use them as a skill to live out the life of your dreams. In this video, we're going to be talking about the law of attraction and how you can use it to manifest anything you want. First, decide what you want, then put your dreams in detail. Don't hold back. Put anything and everything you want to manifest on this list. Writing out your desires is an important step in the manifesting process because it helps you clarify exactly what you want. When you take the time to write out your desires in detail, you can see them more clearly and better understand what you're truly striving for. When you write out your desires, you should be as specific as possible. For example, instead of writing, "I want to be rich," you could write out, "I want to have a net worth of $1 million and be able to afford a luxurious lifestyle with multiple properties, exotic vacations, and a collection of designer clothes and cars." By being specific, you're giving the universe a clear picture of what you want, making it easier to bring your manifestations to you. Additionally, writing your desires down physically has a powerful effect. It's like committing yourself and the universe that you are serious about what you want and that you are willing to take the necessary steps to make it happen. When you write your desires down, include a deadline or a time frame in which you want to achieve your desire. This helps you to stay focused and motivated, and it also allows you to track your progress. Ask the universe for what you want. This is where you state your desires and affirmations to the universe. It's an essential step in the manifesting process because it helps align your thoughts and energy with your desires. By asking the universe for what you want, you're sending a clear message about what you want and opening yourself up to receive it. There are different ways to ask the universe for what you want, such as affirmations, visualization, and prayer. Affirmations are positive statements you repeat to yourself. They are a powerful tool to program your mind to believe in the manifestation and to align your thoughts with it. For example, you can say, "I am so grateful for the abundance of money flowing into my life now," or "I am living in my dream house in the perfect location." Next, visualize yourself having and achieving your desires and see yourself in the reality where your manifestations have come true. Visualization is an important step in manifesting because it helps you create a mental image of yourself having and achieving your desires. This enables you to see yourself in the reality where your manifestations have come true. It also helps you to feel the emotions and feelings of already having what you desire. Visualization is a powerful tool that uses neuroscience to align yourself with your desires. When you visualize, your brain creates new neural pathways connected to your desire. It also activates the release of certain neurotransmitters, such as dopamine, that are associated with positive emotions and motivation, which can help to increase your focus and motivation toward achieving your desire. When you visualize, you create a mental representation of your desire that your brain can recognize and respond to. It's like giving your brain a blueprint of what you want, and it will start to work towards making it a reality. The next step is to feel the emotions and feelings of already having what you desire. Feeling the emotions of already having what you desire is crucial to the manifestation process because it helps to align your energy and vibration with your desires. The law of attraction states that like energy attracts like energy, and when you feel the emotions of already having what you desire, you emit a high frequency of energy that aligns with your desire. This high frequency energy attracts more of the same energy, making it more likely for your manifestation to manifest in your reality. Next, take action toward your desires. These can be small or big actions, but it's important to put yourself in a position to receive your manifestations. Taking action towards your desires is an important step in the manifesting process because it helps you to put yourself in a position to receive your manifestations. However, it's important to remember that taking action should be done in balance and not overdo it. When you take action toward your manifestations, you're showing the universe that you're serious about what you want and willing to do your part to make it happen. However, you should also trust that the universe will do the heavy lifting and bring your manifestations to you. The key is to find the balance between taking action and letting go. Finally, receive your manifestations with an open and grateful heart. Remember, it is a process and it takes time and practice. Still, with patience and persistence, you can manifest anything you want. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe for more daily lessons on manifestation and the law of attraction from the Manifestors Circle.